In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a PDF with high-resolution images in PowerPoint. First, let's make sure your images are truly high-resolution before you even bring them into your slides. Whenever possible, use the original files from your camera, design tool, or stock site, not screenshots or images copied from the web. As a rule of thumb, for print quality results, aim for images that are at least 300 pixels per inch at the size they'll appear on the slide. Avoid scaling small images up inside PowerPoint. If you stretch a tiny picture to fill a large area, it will look soft or pixelated in the final PDF. If you're unsure about an image's size, check its pixel dimensions before inserting. Inside PowerPoint, keep an eye on the size settings. If you see the scale jump above 100%, you're enlarging the image beyond its original resolution. Next, let's lock down the export behavior so PowerPoint doesn't compress your pictures. Go to File, choose Options, then select Advanced. Scroll to Image Size and Quality. Here, check the box that says, Do not compress images in file. This tells PowerPoint to preserve the original image data. Just below that, set the default resolution to high fidelity. High fidelity prevents downsampling and keeps your images as crisp as they started. This combination ensures your visuals aren't quietly reduced behind the scenes. Now you're ready to export to PDF the right way. Go to File, choose Export, and select Create PDF XPS Document, then click Create PDF XPS. In the dialog that opens, click Options. Make sure Standard, which is labeled as Publishing Online and Printing, is selected. This setting balances file size and quality, and crucially, it doesn't aggressively reduce image detail like minimum size would. If you need accessibility, keep the option for Document Structure tags for accessibility checked. This keeps the PDF usable for screen readers without affecting image sharpness. When everything looks good, click Publish. Finally, test your PDF. Open it and zoom in. Go to 200%, 300%, even 400%, and look closely at your images, lines, and text. High-resolution images should remain clean and crisp, with edges that don't break apart into visible blocks. If something looks blurry, it usually means the original image was too small or was scaled up on the slide. Replace it with a higher resolution version at the size you need, and export again using the same settings. Follow these steps and you'll consistently produce PDFs from PowerPoint with sharp, professional-looking images that hold up beautifully on screen and in print.